Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello, good morning everyone. In this occasion, we will discuss a very important topic that is, should homework be banned in elementary school? Some people may agree that homework should be banned, and some people may disagree that homework should be banned. Here we have a pro and contra team. My name is Sukarti as the first speaker.
And my name is Zanaya Faiza as the second speaker.
And I'm Zatira Indi Cahyani, the third speaker.
Next, we have a contra team.
My name is Walfame Syahrani as the first speaker.
I'm Rinja Dwi Angkasa as second speaker.
I am Tiara Agustina Putri as the third speaker.
Okay, without further ado, let's get to the topic. Okay, as the first as a pro team, I agree that homework should be banned in elementary school because homework can cause student stress. Why? Okay, just imagine if a student already tired from studying at school and when they get home, they have to do homework again. It's like they don't have much free time to do other activities, right? To take a rest, right? For example, as quote from VOA Indonesia, April 12, 2024, in Poland, the Polish government recently announced about homework ban. Based on that announcement, a student, Ola Kozak, she is fifth grader in elementary school. She was very happy with the decision. She said that she doesn't like homework very much. She likes music and drawing. She hopes to have more free time to do her hobbies. As like Ola Kozak says, children also need to play and do other activities. Doesn't homework just add to the burden? There are many cases that happen due to feeling burdened by homework. For example, in 2018, one of the sixth grade students in Fuzhou, Jiangxi province, China, the poor child tried to jump from the 15th floor. She tried to jump because she was very burdened by homework assignments. The child was too afraid to go to school because he had not finished all the homework she received for the winter vacation. According to a study, academic stress and working memory in elementary school students, excessive stress from academic activities can affect the growth and memory of elementary school children. Stress from school also makes children easily anxious. As I have mentioned before, homework makes students burden. At the end, they will stress, and when they stress, they cannot focus on their studies, and it will affect for the grades. Therefore, as a pro team, I agree that homework should be banned in elementary school. Thank you.
Okay, I will present an argument why homework should not be banned in elementary school. Homework actually aims to help students review the lesson they have learned in school. Without homework, students may forget the material that has been taught more easily. According to research conducted by Cooper, Robinson, and Petal, homework given in appropriate portion can improve student understanding and achievement in the long term. In addition, homework also trains student responsibility and independence in managing their time. If homework is eliminated, how can students learn to be disciplined? According to an education expert, Professor Dr. Tina Sasmita, homework has an important role in the teaching and learning process. She explained that homework given in reasonable portion actually helps students develop critical thinking and problem-solving skills. If Poland bans homework, it is a decision that is in accordance with their education system, but it does not mean it is citable for all countries, including Indonesia. Just imagine if children have too much time to play without homework, maybe they will prefer to play games or watch TV all the time rather than study. Eventually, their grades actually drop because they are not used to studying outside of school hours. Do we really want this to happen to our young generation? With homework, children are taught that learning does not only happen in the classroom. They are trained to learn anywhere and anytime, which is an important provision for their future. So I'm as a contra team. We disagree if homework is banned in elementary school. Homework is an important part of education to support student development both academically and in character. Thank you.
First of all, I would like to say thank you to Afa for her statement. While I understand your perspective, I must point out a serious concern. A homework can lead to dishonesty among the students. As a student itself, I have seen and experienced how homework, especially the excessive or not well structured one, can encourage students to cheat, copy from their peers, or rely on their parents to complete assignment. This can remove the purpose of education, which is to help students develop their own skills and knowledge. Studies have shown that when students feel overwhelmed by the pressure of homework, they are more likely to engage in dishonest behavior, such as cheating or plagiarizing. According to research by the Journal of Educational Psychology, students who feel stressed and overburdened by homework assignments are more likely to turn to dishonest means to complete their tasks. This not, this not only harms their academic integrity, but also disrupts the learning process. The value of education is not just in completing texts, but in truly understanding and applying what has been learned. If students resort to cheating, they miss out on the opportunity to gain meaningful knowledge, which ultimately harms their academic development. Think of a child who, instead of learning through their own efforts, feels feel the pressure to cheat just to meet the expectations set by homework. This child is learning that success comes not from hard work, but from shortcuts. As educators and parents in the future, we want to cultivate honesty, integrity, and a love for learning in our children. But when we overload them with homework, we risk teaching them the opposite, how to deceive, how to deceive and take shortcuts. Is that the lesson we want them to learn? I think we must recognize that homework can be a heavy burden for students and their families. Research shows that excessive homework load can lead to stress and poor learning outcomes. While the ethical aspect of our education requires us to consider the impact of academic pressure on students' integrity. In addition, the emotional impact of homework cannot be ignored, as it may trigger cheating behavior as a way to cope with the pressure. Therefore, let us collectively reevaluate the way we assign homework to students. We must find a more balanced and supportive solution so that students do not feel trapped in a cycle of cheating and stress. Thank you.
Okay, Zenaya, I see your argument. I understand the concern rise, but I believe we can improve the homework system than eliminate it at all. As someone who has worked in education, I have seen how well designed homework system can have a positive impact on students and their families. It's about overloading students with work, but about creating opportunities for meaningful learning. Rather than eliminating homework, we should focus on making it more relevant, engaging, and appropriate. Project-based homework, for example, can motivate students to explore their interests in a hands-on way, whether it's making art, reaching a topic, or conducting a simple experiment. This assignment encourage creativity and independent thinking. They also allow parents to be a positively involved in their children's education, which strengthens the bond between home and school. Furthermore, well-designed homework teach children responsibility, organization, and time management essential life skill. These skills are developed gradually, and the structure provided by homework help children learn to balance tasks and prioritize, preparing them for future challenges. Imagine a child who is excited about working on a project about outer space or creating a piece of art for a school exhibition. This type of working doesn't just feel like a chore. It becomes an opportunity to explore, create, and learn about the world in different way. Parents can participate by discussing the project with their child or providing support when needed. The result is a stronger connection between family and school and a greater sense of accomplishment for the child. This is a future we want. This is a future we want for our children, a future where homework is meaningful and enriching, not a burden. By removing the way we assign homework, we can maintain the benefits it's over without burdening students and their families. Thank you. That is my argument.
Okay. Thank you for your answer, Mr. Inja. But as a college student who is passionate about education and child development, I think we need to reevaluate the role of the homework, especially for younger kids. From what I've read and learned, children at the elementary school need a more balanced approach to education. At that age, it's not just about academics, it's also about nurturing creativity, building social skills, and supporting emotional well being. Homework often misses with this balance by piling on unnecessary stress and taking away time for kids to explore and grow in other ways. Studies actually back this up. Research show that play and downtime are critical for kids' cognitive and emotional development. For example, the National Association for the Education of Young Children, or NAEYC, found that unstructured play help kids develop problem-solving skills, social abilities, and emotional resilience. Things that are just as important as math and reading. But when kids are overloaded with homework, they miss out on these key growth opportunities. On top of that, data from the OECD shows that countries with less homework for younger students tend for perform better academically overall. Take Finland, for instance, they have reduced from homework for elementary kids and still rank as one of the top education system in the world. Why? Because they focus on holistic education, giving students time to rest, connect with family, and engage in extracurriculars. uh, it Finland can make it work. Why why cannot we explore to a similar approach? Now imagine being a young kid who spent all a day in school, only to come home and face even more work. That joy and excitement kids naturally have for learning, it fades fast when school becomes a constant grind. This isn't becomes a constant green. This isn't what childhood should look like. Those early years are supposed to be about curiosity and exploration. If we take homework off the table, kids would have more time to pursue things they are passionate about, like sports, art, music, or just playing outside. These experiences are just as important as academics. They help kids figure out who they are, build their creativity, and develop a genuine love for learning. Therefore, as a pro team, I still agree that homework should be banned. Thank you.
Thank you for the opportunity to speak, Gatira. But I respect with your opinion, but I would like to offer different perspective. I am as a student seen how homework, when done appropriately, was as an essential tool in building key skills like responsibility and independence. These are qualities and will serve children throughout their life, both in their education and in their future careers. And let's look at the purpose of homework from an educational standpoint. Homework is not meant to overwhelm students but to help them internalize what they have learned. During the day, when students complete assessment on their own, they not only practice the content but also develop organizational skills and time management. These are crucial for success in the later stages of education and in life. A study published by the American Educational Research and Association found the students who do regular, manageable, manageable amount of homework saw better academic achievement over time. Moreover, homework serves as a communication tool between school and home. It allows parents to stay engaged in their child education and provide insight into areas where their child may need additional support. This kind of involvement is crucial in helping children success academically. And think about the student who has worked hard to solve a challenging math problem at home. The sense of pride and accomplishment they feel when they get it right is incredibly valuable. This feeling of success builds confidence and reinforces the idea that that hard work leads to achievement. Homework is not just about completing tasks, it's about building persistence. I'm sorry, perseverance, and a sense of responsibility. These qualities will get them through difficult moments in school and life. Imagine a child who is not given the chance to practice what they have learned. They will miss out on reinforcing essential skill and may fall behind. Homework allows children to review, revisit, and clarify concept, ensuring that no gaps in understanding are left unresolved. It also teaches them the importance of routine and discipline, which are foundational for any future success. As a parent or educator in the future, we have a responsibility to help our children develop the skill they need for the future by supporting a managed homework system. We are ensuring the build confidence, responsibility, and resilience, all qualities that will carry them far. Thank you.
Well, that was our discussion. So everyone, what do you think? Do you agree that homework should be banned, or do you agree that homework should not be banned? Well, that's all from us. Thank you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Bye bye.